Hello, my name is Brehon Mills, and I would like to welcome you back to the channel, where not only do we talk about great stocks, but we also talk about great books. Listen, Team Humble, my Humble family. Right now, Humble is on the downside, right? It's on a downward trend, and if you're a long-term holder, if you believe in the future of Humble, all I can say to you is don't panic, okay? Don't panic. Now, if you've been watching my videos, on the previous video I did about TSNPD Humble, I stated that once the shorts get out of their positions, they were going to have to buy, which was going to create a spike up in price. Then they're going to dump their shares onto the market because that's not what they're here for, which is going to create more downward movement. And also, something that no one has mentioned is you have people who invest in penny stocks with great news simply because of the price. Now, it's much easier for these guys who specialize in penny stocks to identify decent companies that's going to go from 25 to 50 cent, or from 50 cent to a dollar, right? Or a dollar from $2. But now once you go into the $3-4 range, $5 range, and you're talking about a $4 or $5 billion market cap, a lot of those guys, they are dumping their shares because they're looking for the next 10-cent stock. They're looking for the next 25-cent stock to put their money in. They're looking for the next penny stock with a bright upside, with huge potential, something that they can quickly 1x, 2x, or 3x their money. So you got to take account into all those things. So right now, what you're left with is more of the people who are believing and humble for the long term. All right. And when we take a look at the share price, we could have further downward movement. We can see 360 on the horizon. We could possibly see 315 on the horizon. But are you going to focus on the immediate impact, or are you going to focus on 1 year from now, 2 years from now, 5 years from now? So my advice to you is, it's a couple of things you can do. You can look at this as a trader. You could say, hey, I may want to exit if it's a strong downtrend. And then once you feel like it has hit a bottom, or what you see fit as a bottom, you could buy back in and pick up additional shares with that balance that you have, or you can ride it out. All right, you can ride it out. And that's what I plan on doing with the shares I have. I think I may just simply hold. And we do have a catalyst. The ticker symbol will change. So that may create more of a buzz for the company. All right. But again, buzz, hype, that stuff all dies out. When it all said and done, there are two things that's important: revenue and future growth. That's what we need to see in the next earnings report. We need to see that we are positioning ourselves to create strong revenue and the potential growth. What does it look like for Humble? All right. What does the future growth look like? All right. Now, again, we have 20 days. Buy, add more shares if you can, or you could just sit back and relax. Say, hey, I'm done with adding shares. I'm just going to let what I have ride. All right. You can let what you have ride, or you could share it, or you could add shares, or you could sell and look for an opportunity for a bigger dip. Buy back in and add more shares to your portfolio. All right. Those are the options. Don't worry. Don't worry. Now, if you're a trader and it's trending down, get out, because we may go back down to 315 or possibly $3 even. So we're gonna see. We're gonna have to wait. The jury is still out on the bottom. There is no there. We're not at the bottom right now, but the jury is still out on how low we may go. All right. Now, that's all I have for today. I hope this video added a little bit of value to you. Now, if it did, please leave a like, hit the subscribe button, and keep coming back for more wealth building information. Peace.